Hi all, it's Anna and I'm happy to welcome you to my crochet channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a removable handle for a wrist bag. A link to a video on how to crochet such a raffia clutch will be posted in the description below the video. The pattern for this handle I chose quite simple, but it looks very stylish and does not distract from the bag. The width of the handle is 1 cm, and the length of the crochet part is 5 inches or 13 centimeters. We will need the following materials: 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, a 1 inch 2.5 centimeters diameter split ring, approximately 3 grams or 7 yards of raffia. Here we go. Leave a long tail of yarn. Make a slip knot. And crochet a foundation chain. I crochet 60 chains. We crocheted 60 chains, and now starting row 1, crochet slip stitches by back bump. Insert hook into the back, bump. Yarn over and crochet slip stitch. Pause the video and crochet this row till the end. Meet at the end of row 1. Okay, we are crocheting the last 2 chain. Untie the knot and pull up the end of the yarn. We crocheted first row. Make 1 chain and turn. Crochet the second row, insert hook into back loop only. Pause the video and crochet this row till the end. Meet at the end of the second row. We are crocheting last stitches of the second row. Leave the long tail approximately 26 centimeters or 10 inches and cut the working yarn. Steam off the strap. Hold the iron over the strap at a small distance. Connect the ends to each other and sew to make a ring. Make sure the strap is not twisted. Insert the ring and fasten the strap by turning 10 turns with the long tail of the working yarn. Use a needle to tuck in the ends. Our wrist bag handle is ready. Like it and subscribe to the channel. You can also hang this bag handle on your cell phone case. A video of how to crochet a raffia phone case will soon be on my channel.